In this video, I will show you how to remove a page from a PDF file and add another page. And yes, you can do this 100% free. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Before we start, let me explain the files so you can understand clearly. This is my first PDF file. This PDF has multiple pages. The first page of this PDF is wrong, so I want to remove this page. Now, this is my second PDF file. This PDF has only one page. I want to add this page into my first PDF and replace the removed page. Okay, now let's do it step by step. First, open any internet browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any browser you like. Go to Google and type "I love PDF." Press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, open the I Love PDF website. When the website opens, look at the main page. Find and click Organize PDF. This tool lets you add pages, delete pages, and change page order. Now, click Select PDF File. Choose your first PDF file and click Open. Please wait a few seconds while the file uploads. After uploading, you will see all pages of your PDF on the screen. To add another PDF file, look for the red plus icon and click it. Now, select your second PDF file and click Open. You will now see pages from both PDF files. To remove a page, move your mouse over the page you don't want. Click the Delete icon on that page. To add the new page, use your mouse to drag and drop the page into the correct position. When everything looks right, click Organize PDF. Wait a moment. Okay, it's done. Now click Download to save the new PDF to your computer. That's it. The old page is removed, the new page is added, and your PDF is now ready to use. If this video saved your time, please like the video, subscribe for more easy tech tips, and comment PDF if you want more videos like this.